So you're gonna insert the card, whichever card you choose, on the top right here, the very top, inward. And all you're gonna do is push it until it reaches the line. So push, keep doing it. Okay, then I want you to hold on to the sides of the case and push the card simply up, right? Keep pushing it up. Keep pushing it up. See? And it just starts coming off. And then you simply just pull it gently, and there you go. Alright, so if you had this case for a while now, a year to be exact, then if you start noticing something about it that maybe shouldn't be on the case, like, you know, this weird color that it's turned, like a yellowish brownish color, I suggest contacting customer service regarding this, because most likely it's overheated and it's not because it's dirty, especially if you take care of your case. If not, then honey, that's on you. So unfortunately, they don't have a phone number that you can contact customer service. However, they do have an email address. I'll put it here and I'll put it down below in the description box so that you guys could reach out to them. Basically, what all you're gonna say is be like, hey, my name is so-and-so. I've had this case for whatever amount of time. This is what's going on. Send them some pictures, the name of the case. This is a purple marble case, for example. And they should be reaching out to you in a couple days. So let me know how it goes. All right. Also, I don't know if you've had it for a year, they send you a new one, which I'm so stoked about. I did not know, you know, that they do that. So shout out to you, LuMee. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Be honest, y'all, and let me know how it goes. All right, see y'all. Peace.